Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for tuning in, checking out my channel. The GT's got some new parts in. I got the fender flare kit and I'm about to do it. Wide fenders, 8-piece set. Found it on Amazon, had the best description. It said that it was plastic and that's what I wanted. And it was pretty damn good straight out of the box. I mean, fitment was really nice. Started chopping up the car, doing what I had to do to make it right. And it went pretty smooth. I know there's a lot of videos on here talking about how to do this, so I'm not going to go crazy in detail. Pretty much just got to cut it where you need to make sure that you can get the proper fitment. Make some guide holes so you know where it's going to be when you're finished. And then take them off and start hacking away at the fenders and getting rid of the actual material so the tires don't touch. Put the spacers back on, but now with these wider fenders, I need to get them rims, and that's what I'm going to be saving up for. If you guys know what kind of rims you'd like to see on the car, let me know. Maybe I'll change my mind on what I'm thinking, but I would like to keep it a little bit of a surprise because I'm not 100% certain on what I'm going to do, but I do want it to be wide. Not as wide as the 86, but pretty damn wide. So I was just cutting away the metal like you've seen on 1,000 other videos. If anybody wants me to go in detail, just leave it in the comments. I can always make another video because I still have to seal these. So I'll be taking them off again, getting a riv nut gun, putting riv nuts on the holes so that I can put nice hardware. And I'll most likely leave it that way so that if I want to take it off in the future, I can. But just something to look nice and motivate me to save up and get the rims. But it's been doing good, running great. Now I love the look, ready to get the rims and keep going with this build. If you guys want to see more, just tune in.